Solitaire cache battery drain is usually easier to troubleshoot by checking the app's background activity, screen usage, device temperature, and software updates before changing anything major. By the end, you'll know which settings to check first, and how to tell whether Solitaire cache is actually responsible for the battery drain. Start by checking battery usage. On iPhone, open Settings, then Battery, and review Solitaire cache in the battery usage list. On Android, open Settings, select Battery, then Battery Usage, and look for Solitaire cache. This shows whether the app is consuming a significant share of your battery compared with other apps. If Solitaire cache is using battery while you are not actively playing, check its background activity settings. On iPhone, open Settings, find Solitaire cache, and review the permissions available for background activity. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Solitaire cache, and look for battery settings. If your phone provides a restricted or optimized battery option, use the setting that limits unnecessary background activity. Next, check your screen brightness. Gameplay keeps the display active, and a brighter screen generally requires more power. Lower the brightness to a comfortable level while playing and avoid keeping the screen brighter than necessary. Device temperature also matters. If your phone becomes noticeably hot while Solitaire cache is running, stop playing temporarily and let the device cool down. Avoid playing while the phone is sitting in direct sunlight or trapped under bedding or other materials that can prevent heat from escaping. Then, update Solitaire cache through the App Store or Google Play. If an app update is available, install it and test the game again. Also check for an available iOS or Android system update because battery behavior can change after software updates. If the battery drains rapidly only while Solitaire cache is running, compare its battery usage with another game or app during similar use. This helps separate normal gaming-related battery consumption from a problem specific to Solitaire cache. On Android, clearing the Solitaire cache can also help if the app is behaving unusually. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Solitaire cache, open Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. Avoid clearing storage unless you know your login information. If the battery continues draining quickly even when Solitaire cache is closed, check other apps and battery usage before blaming Solitaire cache. A battery that is already degraded can also lose charge faster during normal use. The practical order is simple. Check battery usage, limit unnecessary background activity, lower screen brightness, keep the phone cool, update Solitaire cache, and check your device software. If Solitaire cache still causes unusual battery drain after those steps, contact support with your device model, operating system version, app version, and battery usage information. If this fixed the battery problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.